How's it going, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy, and I'm just going to do a quick video today. So it's going to be like a explanation video slash update video with a bit of a plug in it as well. So recently I've been getting like these emails from YouTube constantly, and to me it's getting too much because frankly I'm just getting hit with copyright claims left and right, and I literally have no ability to fight this. It's just basically I have to accept it and get my money taken away from me on YouTube, which to me isn't fair. Like right here, this is ridiculous. I got 2 of these emails this morning. How to download Twitch clips on your mobile device. That's one of my most viewed videos on YouTube, so obviously that's going to bring in a lot of revenue. And someone hits me with the copyright claim by SME. By the way, I uploaded this like literally over a year ago, and it did really well. And they probably saw I was doing really well, so like, hey, let's copyright claim his music that he used at the very end for like, what, 4 or 5 seconds. It was a Plain Jane remix, so not even the real song. And they copyright claimed it, and now they get all my money. So to me, this is not fair at all. I put in the effort to make the video. I use like a short sound clip of their song at the end for my outro. Never got a copyright claim in the past. But now, like, over a year later, you're going to come back and copyright claim me? Like, that's so stupid. So, guys, if you want to help out Life Made Easy, you have several options. And I'm by no means am I saying you have to do this. I'm just saying it's available if you want to support me, because YouTube hates me and wants to copyright claim all my old popular videos because all these companies know it's making money. And so they're like, oh, why don't we just steal his money while claiming his video? So, like, if I come over to YouTube, as you can see here, I now have a join button. So the join button is for members, and members receive exclusive perks that I've offered, and I'm going to tweak it a little in the future. But right now, I already did a video on this. 3 tiers, level 1, 2, 3. You get all these perks. You get these icon stuff. Level 2, you get shoutouts. Level 3, you get to actually play with me on Xbox and stuff like that. So that's cool. If you want to do this, by all means, become a channel member and join up. That helps me immensely. Also, guys, another really good way of helping support the channel is I have merchandise. I don't know if you guys knew this, but I got merchandise. Got all these like mugs, sweatshirts, hoodies. I actually have one of the shirts, and I can like actually say it's good quality. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like Teespring makes really good quality stuff, 100%. Phone case, if you have like an iPhone 6 or 6S or something like that. Got stickers. I actually own the sticker. It's on my laptop if you've seen it in videos. And long sleeves. So yeah, if you want to cop like some merch from Teespring on my store, go ahead. That supports the channel as well. And the third thing I want to talk about that supports the channel, these affiliate links right here. So if you click these links, it brings you to Amazon, and if you make a purchase within 24 hours, I earn a small commission off that. So if you guys are like looking, this is like the best way to do it, to be honest, because you're not actually paying me directly. You just click my link. Say you want to like go buy like, I don't know, a new phone or something, new backpack. Just go click this link. You don't even have to buy the product it's linked to. If you just buy that product using my link, like you click this link, it brings you to the backpack I use, but you want to buy a cell phone, just type in the cell phone in the Amazon search bar once you're already on Amazon. Go to that, and then it will, you make the purchase, and I earn a commission off that because I sent traffic to Amazon and made them money, so if that makes sense. It's an affiliate program that I'm signed up for, and I clearly make that clear by saying Amazon affiliate links. I'm not hiding that at all. I'm not scummy like that. So guys, those are the 3 best ways if you want to support the channel. By no means am I saying you have to do this. I'm just saying that it is kind of annoying how I'm getting copyright claimed and all my videos are being, all my money's being taken away from me because YouTube allows this, and small channels like me can't really do anything about this. They just claim 3-second video clip of a song, and I get screwed over. And all those videos have thousands of views. Like those are popular videos on my channel, and gone. I can't do anything about it. So guys, those are the 3 ways to support the channel. I hope you can do so. Help out the channel. Help out LME. I'm going to be bringing you another video on Gaming Made Easy later today. So if you guys want to go check that out. Got the link right here. Subscribe to my second channel. Go over there. We got 40 subs over there, so it's doing pretty well. Doing some reaction videos, some live streams, awesome stuff on my second channel, guys. So go subscribe over there. So guys, see you guys next video. Peace out.